All right, what's going on, traders? Welcome to today's live market trading recap, where we take a look at the Forex, the futures, and the stock market. Today is Wednesday, June 28th. Lovely trading day as usual, and we're going to take a look at some really nice trading setups. Now, yes, I did post a couple of videos related to scalping the markets yesterday and today, but here's the deal, folks. This volume indicator color band that you're seeing on the screen right now is still the moneymaker. This is my holy grail. This is the truth with respect to finding the trend every single day. All right, there ain't nothing else like it. And I still feel that regardless of whatever style you decide to employ, right, in your trading career or your trading journey, I always feel that you are going to need something that's logical and something that is very easy to understand, and of course something that looks very visually appealing. And the reason I wanted to do this video for you guys today is because I've been experimenting with an idea or a theory called banging the close. All right, now what does that mean? Well, I have found that during the first 90 minutes of every trading day and the last 90 minutes of every trading day, a tremendous amount of volume comes into and floods the market, giving us very, very good liquidity, right? And so since you guys already know that this green and red color band is a volume proprietary style when it comes to speculating in the market, right? This green and red color band basically tells you the prevailing trend at any one moment in time. You understand? For example, when it's red, as it was a little bit after lunch here, it tells you that the sellers are in control. And of course, when it turns green, it tells you that the buyers are in control, right? You guys know this. You've seen the videos. A lot of you guys already have the software, and I know you're crushing it. But for the longest time, I've always been a fan of trading only in the morning. I've never really looked at the afternoon or what I call after lunchtime trades. And it turns out there might actually be some very good opportunities. All right, so let's get into it. Like I said, this green and red color band is our proprietary volume-based indicator. This is still the jackpot. This is still, in my humble opinion, my winning ticket. And it only does one job, right? It tells you the prevailing trend at any one moment in time, and it's all color-coded. But you guys know that when it comes to taking an actual trade, we don't want to take the color change, right? Instead, we want to see this exact type of price action happen, like from today. Man, I wish what happened today would happen every single day in the market, all right? Because it's like taking candy from a baby, right? So when the color changes, in this case from red to green, we want to see a nice upward established momentum. And then, okay, when that momentum has confirmed to us that, yes, this bullish move is real, okay, now what? Well, now I want to wait for the market to come back down to me, right? I want to wait for something called the retracement, right? Which is nothing more than a pullback, right? There's many, I guess you could say, terminology for it, but I like to call it retracement. Other people like to call it pullbacks. Call it whatever you want. All that we're trying to establish here is we're trying to get a better fill, right? Because I don't want to get filled right over here, right? This is too aggressive for me. I am a very conservative trader. I believe that most of you guys and gals out there are very conservative traders as well. You want to be careful with your money, right? You want to only look for and select the most highest probability trades and setups. And so, in my opinion, the only way to do that is to wait for the market to come back to you. But while the market's coming back to you, the color of the band cannot change, right? So if we're looking for longs, the band has got to remain green. And on the flip side over here, right, you can see this thing turned red right over here, right? So now we're waiting for some downward momentum, which we kind of established there. And then the market comes back up to us, giving us the retracement. But the color of the band cannot change colors. You understand? And this was basically as perfect of a short setup as you can get. I mean, this bar right here, my goodness, look at how deep this retracement was right here, right? Look at how, I mean, this almost turned green, this band, but it didn't. it stayed red. This was basically the perfect short of the day, and the market just cratered right after that. And you know, a lot of people think that this was going to be the sell-off, you know, for today's session, and boom, 10 minutes later, market turns around and turns green, right? Establishing what? A bullish trend. Remember what I've told you guys, rule number 1, never trade against the trend. When it turns green, you're just looking for longs and strongs, right? Shame on you if you tried to short or sell this market anywhere while this thing was green, right? But anyway, guys, so I'd like to know if any of you guys and gals out there are banging the close. I'd love to see what your performance has been. I'm kind of dabbling in a little experiment on maybe just trading like the last 30 minutes of each trading session with this volume color band, and I believe that might actually provide us with some spectacular results, right? But at the end of the day, all I can really tell you guys and gals is that this volume indicator color band continues to deliver. Congrats to everybody who had a phenomenal trading day today. There's nothing in the world that I think can stop a trend when it wants to start. I think the short sellers completely got smoked today. I mean, the short sellers got destroyed today, and it was like taking candy from a baby. Trend don't lie, folks. The colors don't lie. If you've been goofing off with a counter trend system this entire year, then you've probably got your face chopped off. So take massive action, man. Get off the sidelines, get involved, and learn what it's like to trade a trend. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.